Hey everyone, today I'm here with very exciting product, the Apple Airpods Pro. But there's a twist, this was not made by Apple. Presenting you the replica Airpods Pro made by Guangzhou Nankiao Communication Electronics Company Limited. I have no idea where in China this company is situated. Without wasting much time, let's unbox the product. You can see a hologram stating that this product has 100% active noise cancellation, as well as it's original and authentic. Sounds true. Manufacturer's name is sealed on the back, as well as the country of manufacture, China, which is the same for genuine Apple AirPods as well. There's nothing printed on the sides of the box, but judging by the condition of the package, it looks like someone punched the box before shipping. I bought this from a local shop for very cheap, so I'm not much worried about the product. While opening the box, we are greeted with the 100% ANC genuine authentic AirPods Pro. While taking out the product and the holder, we got to see a small USB cable. This cable has a USB-A connector on one side and Apple Lightning connector on the other side. Even Apple moved to USB-C, but these copy products are still on Lightning. Seems like this replica is more Apple than Apple itself. Anyway, we also get a small user manual that's in both English and Chinese. You can connect this to any device with Bluetooth audio support, including iPhones. As we open the charging case, we can see a sticker to mark the month. But I think that's unnecessary as they even forgot to mark that. Let me remove that quick. Now it's removed, some glue stain is left. I'll wipe it later. These are the earphones itself. The case opens and closes very firmly with a nice click sound. There's a button on it to turn it on and off, which is difficult to click by the way. And the lightning connector on the bottom as well. This product was probably manufactured before September 2023, when Apple was still using lightning connector on their phones. This case is supposed to have wireless charging, but even after placing on a G-certified charger, as the user manual suggested, it's not charging wirelessly. I used this for some time and the sound quality is actually good, but for some reason, right earbud is producing almost 3 times louder sound than the left earbud, which needs some adjustment in the phone sound settings. Anyway, if it's performing good, I'll post my detailed review. By then, this is CinemaSpace 4K, signing off.